Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on the Samsung Galaxy S23 device. First, let's just open the Play Store app because we should get the application from the Play Store, and now in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our battery temperature. In my case, that's 32 and 4 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.